Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I have another video and it's a review of this bead spinner I got from Amazon. I'll link in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing it. Please ignore my nails and focus on the video. So this is how the packaging looks like. I really love the color combination and the way the item is organized in the box. It says thank you for choosing us. And this is how the items look like, and we're gonna go through them. Right now we have the bead bowl. I really love the fact that it comes with a sign that says maximum, so it tells you where to put your beads up to in order for it not to spill while you're spinning it. So right here is the spinner. What you do is to connect your charging port onto it and then just press the button and it's gonna start spinning. I really love it's different from the ones that I've used in the past, so we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out. The next item on the box is called a monoport. So pretty much this is what we're going to be using to attach our needle, to thread our needle and help the beads move from the bowl to that needle, kind of. We're gonna see. And this is another part of that monoport. We just kind of connect it together. It comes with a charger and some needles, of course, because we need that to be able to thread the beads onto the threading that we have. So this is the instruction manual. I really found this really helpful. It really helped. The instructions were really clear and easy to follow. So this is how it looks like. And we're going to put the pieces together. I just kind of fast forward this part because I didn't want it to be too long. But if you want to follow the instructions on how to put them together, you can just reduce the speed of your video and maybe that will help. But I didn't want it to be too long, that's why I just fast forwarded it. So once I have everything ready, as you can see, I'm just putting my needle. They have this section where you have to thread the needle and connect it to the bead bowl and all of that. So pretty much that's what I was just doing here, putting the items together while using the instructional manual. And as I said, it was really easy to follow. So once everything is set, as you can see, I'll just go ahead and put in my beads onto the bowl. So I was just picking like random colors I had around the house and just putting them in the bowl, just to make like a mixture of colors or a confetti kind of thing. So yeah, I just mixed the pink, this green, minted color, and I used a white to at least make the quantity be a reasonable kind of, because as you can see, it wasn't at the maximum point, it was a little bit low. If you don't put enough bead in there, it's not really gonna thread through that needle. So you want to make sure you have a good amount of beads in that bowl. So as you can see, it's almost at the maximum line. I'm gonna stop there and just shake a little bit so we can have a little bit of mixture. But again, once it starts spinning, it's just gonna mix. So I'm just gonna cover it up and just make sure I clear the environment and then just attach the needle to it. As you can see, I was still using the manual to follow the instruction how to use it, because without the manual, trust me, I couldn't really figure out how to place that needle. But it was really easy just using that, going through and then just following the steps. And to do that, I just had to take the needle and just connect it to the monoport that was on there. And once that was set, I was ready to connect my cable onto the wall and start spinning. If you've watched this video so far, please do it to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really do appreciate all the support you guys have given me so far. Please help me share my videos and help me like them, because it kind of recommend YouTube to show the videos to other people. So yeah, this is how everything looks like. Everything is set up. Once I'm ready at this point to start spinning. So I'm just going to connect that to the wall. As you can see, I just changed the environment a little bit just so I can be closer to the charging port. So right now I just click on that button you can see on the spinner, and then it started spinning. I didn't have to hold it, I didn't have to do anything. As you can see, there was a little spill, but it wasn't that bad. I think that was just my fault on how I placed everything. But this spinner is really good. Just that I had the kids making noise in the background, that's why I had to mute the sound. But it's not loud. Like compared to the other things I've used in the past, the other spinners I've used, this is not loud at all. Like you can use it in the middle of the night without disturbing people. I really love it. It's small, it's portable, and it's easy. As you can see, the beads are going through the needle easily without any obstacles. So I really recommend you to check this out if you're somebody that loves making beads. So once it was full, you can cut it off at any point in time. But again, I was just trying to make sure I look at the way it's working, making sure there's no problem with it. That's why I just let it run all the way. But yeah, once it's done, all you have to do is just take it off the monopod and thread the beads all down to the thread, the string. As you can see, this was a 0.4 string I got, and it came with the package, the elastic string, and this string was really good too. So right now I just kind of push that through. As you can see, it was really easy. It was really easy, and I really recommend this. Once I'm done, all I'll have to do is just to thread that. I still running the video another time just for you to see how it's going, how easy it is for the needle to pick up the beads. Yeah, so that's pretty much it about this spinner. Let me know in the description box, have you used this spinner before? Are you going to be trying it? I really recommend you to try it. It's really nice, really portable. And let me know in the description box. And if you're recommending any other one, I'll really appreciate it so that I can look at it and maybe try it for you. And if you have any other video recommendations, please do mention that in the comment section, and I'll try my best to make a video for you. So once everything is done, I'll just take out the extra bits I won't need, and then I'll just tie it up, and I have my bracelet ready. So yeah, I really love the color combinations. Like I was just picking like random colors and put it in there, but the way it turned out, I really love it. It's pretty, it looks good. So this is how the beads looked like once we have it in the form of a bracelet. The color combination is good. The spinner was perfect. And again, I'll link it down in the description box. If I forget, please do let me know in the comment section, and I'll put the link down for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, take good care of yourself, and again, like, share, comment, subscribe. Help someone who is looking for a bead spinner to start their small business. They should check out this one, the Goody King, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.